Today, we are excited to showcase our articulated arm laser welding machine. This machine features a flexible articulated arm design, paired with omnidirectional wheels and a 3-axis joystick, allowing for 360 rotation and a 180 flip of the laser head. Making it easy to reach complex angles. It comes with an option of QQ or continuous laser systems, and an integrated chiller ensures stable 24-hour operation. Manually adjustable universal joint. The machine head can be adjusted up and down 90 and can rotate left and right 360. Ideal for large mold repairs, automotive parts, and various metal alloys. Follow our channel, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.